Hello and welcome to Business Exposure's online website training. This is part 2 of how to edit articles and modules. Where we left off, we made a change with the what to expect page. So let's go ahead and remove our filter that we have up here temporarily and just hit go so we can see the remaining articles. Or as we can see, we have 5 pages of articles. So there's quite a few of them here, and these are all in relation to what we find on the home page of the website. For example, youth, or let's go to young adults. So we have a college student's article. So if I want to edit that article, I can just put in COLL, hit go, and you see the article comes up, and we can edit the text here. Let's say we want to add a photo to this page. Well, we have several options to do that. Typically, if we want to put a photo here, let's say we want to put a photo right here. So on the home page, you'll notice there's no photo at all on this page. So what we're going to do, there's a button here called Insert Edit Image. So we're going to insert the image, and it's going to open up all the files that we have on the server. And there's quite a few of them, and you may want to upload your own file, or there may be already a file on the server that you want to upload. If you want to upload your own image, there's a button here called Upload. You simply select that, you add it, and you're going to browse your local computer for the photo that you want to upload. Okay. So once you select your photo, you're going to hit upload, and it's going to upload it into this directory here. And let's say this is the photo that we selected to upload, or actually let's pick a better one. Let's say we pick this photo, taking notes JPEG. This is an example. So I can insert this photo, and we notice it's not really centered. We want the text to wrap around a little bit more. So let's go ahead and click on that photo again, and let's review the rest of the tools we have available for us. So we selected the taking notes.jpg, and there's our image for demonstration purposes. The system automatically detects the size of the photo. Typically we like to put a margin around the photo, so I'm going to put 5, and it's going to copy that equally to all the surrounding areas of the photo. If you want to unclick that, you can select maybe a bigger margin for the right side or the bottom if needed. We can put a width around the image, or a border. So we can use a 1 pixel border. We can put a solid line around that. Of course, there's other options. We have solid, dotted. So you can play with these different settings here. And of course we can pick the color that we want for our border. Let's just pick a red one for now. Typically we use black or a gray, but for demonstration purposes we're just going to highlight a red, hit apply. The other thing we like to do is the alignment of the photo. For this particular demonstration, we're going to align it to the left. Okay, now we're going to update it. Now you see the red border, the image with the border around it, and then you can see the text is wrapping around. Okay, so I can apply this, and when we go to our live site and hit refresh, we see the images there. So let's go ahead and get rid of that for a minute. Let's say the image was too big. We can click on the image, and I can actually physically make it smaller if I want. Okay. And then if I want to highlight that again and hit apply, apply once again keeps you on the same editing page, but it goes ahead and implements the changes on the live site. So we just made the photos smaller. Okay, let's go ahead and, well, maybe we want a different color, so we can always highlight your image and click on your Insert Edit Image. We can change the color of our border if we want. We can update it, and you see that it changes there. Maybe we decide, well, we don't want a border. Well, we can simply take the check off the border. And of course, for your alignment, you can have it aligned on the top, the middle, the bottom. Maybe we want to align it to the right side of the page. We're going to update it, and now the image goes to the right side of the page. Let's go ahead and apply that for a minute. And we'll refresh it. Refresh that, and you'll see we now have no border, and it's on the right side of the page. So let's go ahead and highlight that again, and we're just going to delete it. So I hit the delete key on my keyboard to make that go away. So in summary, if we want to edit a photo, we simply place the cursor where we want the photo to appear. We hit the add insert button, or add insert image. If we want to upload our own image for the website, there's a green button here that says upload. Okay, or we can select an image that's already on the server. It populates with the file name where it's located. If you want to put in a better description of what your photo is, that's good common practice for search engine optimization. And in summary, we have our alignment tools and our margin, which we just typically like to have 5, and then if you decide you want a border or not, and then you can insert that image, and there it is. And then of course you apply that if you want it to appear on the website, or you can save it. For now we're just going to go ahead and delete that, and then we're just going to hit save, and we're just going to refresh our screen, and we're back to where we were before we started the demonstration. So let's go ahead and talk a little more about the articles. Let's go ahead and create a new article. There's a button up here that says new. So we're going to hit a new article. Let's just title it test. The alias, we're just going to TST. What section do we want it to appear in? Well, we have several sections and several categories. You can create as many sections and categories as you want. It just helps you manage your content. We're just going to put this in the FAQ section temporarily. Actually, we'll put this in Northeast under home. We'll put it under missions. Okay, so we're just going to put test mission. Okay, and maybe we want to highlight our text. Let's make this one a little bigger in H3. Maybe we put in a photo underneath it. Let's see what we can find really fast here. There we go. Whoops. There we go. Test mission. I'm going to resize that photo a little bit. Okay, let's put a border around the photo. And width 1. Let's put a dash border, and we'll put a black border. Apply, and margin, we'll just put 5 all the way around it, and we'll put it right in the middle of the page. And we'll update our SEO text, alternate text. Sorry about that. Test missing. And we're going to hit update, and we're going to hit save. Okay, so now we've created, where did it go? Oh, I have 5 pages. Well, we can do this 2 ways. We know we created an article under Northeast. Okay, so that filters our selection more. Still have 2 pages. There it actually is right there, test. But let's go ahead and filter it a little more. We called it under missions. And there it is on top, test. Okay, or we could have simply typed in the word test up here, and you would have had it just come up right up for you. So you can see the power of the actual an easy way to sort your content. So this will conclude this section. We'll continue on with the next lesson.